Ladies and gentlemen, we're dealing with two right triangles here. Okay, so the first triangle, PQR, the second triangle, SUT. As we guys can see, they look similar, even though one is bigger than the other one, but they look similar, correct? So what's happening here? Right triangles PQR and STU are similar, where P corresponds to S. P corresponds to S. If the measure of angle Q here is 18 degrees, what is the measure of angle S? All right, so if we're talking about the fact that these two triangles are similar, okay, what's happening, and then they are right triangles, so what's happening is that all the angles are congruent, meaning they are the same. So that means angle P is the same thing as angle S, angle Q will be the same thing as angle T. And as we can see here, angle U and angle R are what? Right triangles, correct? So what are we going to do here? So the answer, the following answers is what? So we have answer A, which is 18 degrees, answer B, which is 72 degrees, answer C, which is 82 degrees, and answer D, which is 162 degrees. So which one fits in our case here? So if we know that angle Q is 18 degrees, so angle Q is 18 degrees, all right? So if angle Q here is 18 degrees, what does that mean? That means angle T is also 18 degrees. And if angle T is 18 degrees, what are we looking for? We're looking for the measure of angle S, right? And what's the total of, the angle inside the right triangle here? It got to be 180 degrees. We already know that the right triangle here, the right angle here, is going to be 90 degrees. So if the total is going to give us 180 degrees, so that means what? So to get the angle S, what do we have to do? We just have to add these two and subtract it from 180 degrees, correct? So if we add these two angles here, what do we get? So 18 plus 90 degrees will give us what? That will give us 108 degrees, right? 108 degrees. So what do we have to do then? We said the total is 180 degrees, right? So it's 180 degrees, which is supposed to be the total. So we're going to have to do 180 degrees minus 108 degrees. And that will give us what? 72 degrees. If you subtract 108 from 180, that will give you 72 degrees, right? Or if you add 72 to 108, you get what? 180, right? So B fits our answer here. And ladies and gentlemen, we are done. Very simple problems. Normally, without all the explanations, if you take it on the test, for example, it's very quick, all right? It's even 30 seconds, not even 1 minute, okay? So 30 seconds, between 30 seconds to 1 minute, you are done with this problem already, and then you keep moving, all right? Okay, see you to next. Thanks.